Welcome friends, as we know at the end it's a Rakshabandhan festival. So today's video is about a toy for kids which is plane launcher. This is a unique gift for Rakshabandhan, also for the kids who like activity games. This is gift for age 6 to 12. It's a science toy, an educational based activity game. Activity games leads to learning. So as this toy, it has scissor mechanism, aerodynamics, hydraulic system. This is 2-in-1 launcher. You can use darts and also plain paper in this plain launcher machine. How to use it? It's easy. Lock, load, press the trigger and it will take off. Also some instructions are given. It is very easy to use. If you go to review section, there are videos from the customer and you can see the videos. Also some of the images are here. Let's see one of image.